Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to create certificate of your photography training course and send to student on WhatsApp automatically. So let us understand this topic by taking an example that you are an online photography course provider and you are running courses online. You have already enrolled the students in your course, and whenever a student completes the photography course, you share a jot form with them. Now, you want that whenever a new response is received in your jot form, a certificate is sent to your student on his WhatsApp number. For doing this, you have two options. First, take the details of your student from the jot forms, then create the certificates manually, then convert them into a shareable file, then compose a message into the WhatsApp and send the messages along with the certificate to them. But this will be a manual process and a time consuming and a very lengthy process, and it becomes very difficult when you have large number of students. So here the second option is to create an automation so that whenever a new response is received in the jot form, automatically a certificate will be created into the Google Slides. Automatically those certificates will be converted into a shareable file and the messages will be sent on the WhatsApp number along with the certificates, and that too automatically. But here there is one problem, that there is no direct connection between jot form, Google Slides, Google Drive and WhatsApp. So how all these tasks will be done? So as a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating jot forms with Google Slides, with Google Drive and then with WhatsApp also. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. Here we are using jot forms to receive the responses. So not only jot forms, you can use any other form builder application, that is Google Forms or Pabbly Form Builder or anyone else also, not only the jot forms. Okay. So now let us understand this complete process by taking a real-time example. So this is my jot form, okay, Media Institute for Photography. Here I have asked for the details of the name of the student, email address and mobile number. Now here we want that whenever a student fill these forms, automatically using this particular template, a certificate should be generated and it should be saved into the Google Drive over here. And automatically the same certificate along with a message should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the student over here. Okay. So I'll just fill this form details. Let us give the name as Adam Smith. Here let's give the email address as Adam Smith 26@gmail.com. And I'll just give the mobile number. Okay. And now let's click on submit. Check your WhatsApp for certificate. Okay. So the certificate, so the form is filled. Now let us check the Google Drive. So here you can see a certificate is generated named Adam Smith. Okay. And now let us check the WhatsApp also. And here you can see a message. Hello Adam Smith, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the basic to advanced photography training. Please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. We know this certificate will be a great addition to your resume and we want to help you get there. Hope for your significant and successful career in life. Best regards, Media Institute for Photography. And a file is also attached with this. So let us download this file. I'll just open this. And here we can see a certificate also, Media Institute for Photography Certificate of Completion. This is to certify that Adam Smith has successfully completed Basic to Advanced Photography 2021 training. Given this on 7th October 2021. Sudarshan Sharma, Director. So here a certificate is also sent on the WhatsApp number of the student. So you might be wondering that I just filled a form here, a jot form, and automatically a certificate is saved into my Google Drive and the same certificate is sent on the WhatsApp number along with a message to the student. So how did I manage to do all this task? and that too automatically. So let me tell you, I have done this in just 5 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So let us move on to the steps now. So here at step 1, connect JotForm to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect will offer us a webhook URL. We have to paste that webhook URL into the JotForms and it will create an integration between JotForm and Pabbly Connect. Step 2, collect the data from JotForm in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from JotForms. Step 3, send the same data to Google Slides for creating a certificate from template. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from JotForms, the same data will be sent to the Google Slides and by using a template, automatically a certificate will be created. Step 4, create a shareable link of certificate in Google Drive. So at step 4, the certificate which is created in Google Slides, that certificate will be created as a shareable link so that it can be shared with anyone. Step 5, send the same data to 360 Dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. So at step 5, the certificate along with the message will be sent to the WhatsApp number of the student, and here we are using 360 Dialog for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way we are going to create a successful integration between JotForms, Google Slides, Google Drive and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type pabbly.com in our browser. So this is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on sign in. Here in the all apps section, scroll down, come to connect and click on access now. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as send photography training certificates on WhatsApp. So here I am giving the workflow name as send photography training certificates on WhatsApp. You can give the workflow name as per your requirement. And let's click on create. So here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger window and what is this action window? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a response is received in JotForms, automatically the message should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the student. So in the trigger window, let us open it, and in the application, let us select JotForm. Okay, I'll just click on this. Here in the trigger event, we have to select new response. Now here we can see a webhook URL is displayed. Now let us read the instruction. Open your form in Form Builder and click on the Settings tab. Go to the Integrations, search for webhook and paste the above webhook URL in the Add Webhook field option. Okay. So first we have to open our form. So I'll just open my form. So this is my JotForm which I have already created. This is Media Institute of Photography. It is a photography training certificate form. Here I have asked for the name of the student, his email address and the mobile number. Okay. Here I'll just go to the settings option. Let's click on this. Come down and come to the integrations tab. Just click on this. Here in the integrations, we just have to select webhooks. So let's click on webhooks. Here it is asking for the add webhook option. So we'll go to Pabbly Connect. We'll simply copy this webhook URL. We'll come back to the JotForm and I'll just paste the webhook URL over here. Okay. And now let's click on complete integration. Integration is ready. Now let's click on finish. So here we can see a tick mark. It means the webhooks are already added over here. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see it is waiting for the webhook response. So we have to make an entry over here in the Jot form. So I'll just go to my Jot form once again. Here I'll just click on publish option, and either I can copy this link and open into a new tab, or I'll just click on this open in new tab. Okay, I'll just click on this, and here the form is ready. I'll just fill this form details. I'll just fill the name as Riyansh, surname as Gupta, email address as riyanshgupta25, okay, at gmail.com, and here I'll just give the mobile number as +91 799 724 918. Okay, and let's click on, okay, I'll just click on submit. And here a thank you note is displayed. Check your WhatsApp for certificate. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see the response is captured. Okay, so here we can see the name as Riyansh, last name as Gupta, and the email address is riyanshgupta25 at gmail.com, and the mobile number is displayed. Okay, but here we cannot find the date. On certificate we have to mention the date also. Okay, so what I will be doing, I'll just come to this action window. Here I will be selecting the application name as date and time formatter. Here in the action event, I'll just select current date. Now let's click on connect. Now it is asking the basic format, in which format we want the date. So I want the date in DD, MM and YY format. I will be selecting this. Include time and response. No, I don't want to include time and response. So I'll just keep it as false. And let us click on save and send test request. Now here it has captured the current date, that is 7th of October 2021. Now we want that using this data of the student, automatically a certificate should be generated. Okay, so I want the certificate to be created into the Google Slides. So I'll just click on add application, this plus sign, come to this action application, and here let us select Google Slides. Here in the action event, I'll be selecting create presentation from template, and let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Google Slides. Here we have to choose an account in which we have to create the Google Slides. I'll just choose the account. Here it is asking for the access. I'll just click on continue and give away the access, as data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. And now authorization successful. And here we can see that Google Slides is connected to Pabbly Connect. Okay, it is showing as connected. Now here we have to give the template presentation. So I'll just take you the template which I have already created for creating the certificate. Okay, so this is the certificate template. I'll just maximize this and show it to you. So it is Media Institute for Photography Certificate of Completion. This is to certify that here the name of the student will come, has successfully completed basic to advanced photography 2021 training. Given this on the particular date will come over here. Sudarshan Sharma, director. Okay. So we are going to use this certificate template now. The name of this template is Photography Certificate Template. So I'll just move back to Pabbly Connect. So I'll just select the one which I have shown you, Photography Certificate Template. Now here we have to select the title of the new presentation. It means what should be the name of the new certificate that will be generated. So here I want to give the certificate name as the name of the student. Okay, that is Riyansh. Then I'll just give surname also, that is Gupta, Riyansh Gupta. So here I'll just add the submission ID also. So why I'm selecting this submission ID? Because it might happen that I have two students of the same name. Riyansh Gupta, I might be having two students of the same name. So submission ID will be the unique ID for both of them. Okay, and it will differentiate between both of my students. So I'll just click this also. Submission ID is also displayed now. Here new presentation location. Where do you want to save this particular certificate? So let me show you. I have already created a folder into my Google Drive, that is photography certificates. So I have to select this particular folder in Pabbly Connect now. So here you can see various folders which I have in my Google Drive are captured here. I'll just click on photography certificates. Now here we have to give the parameters of the certificate. Here we have to enter the name, okay, and the date which has to be mentioned on the certificate. So the name would be the name of the student and the date would be which we have captured from date and time formatter. So here I'll just map the details of the name, that is Reyansh, and I'll just add the surname also, that was Gupta. Okay. Now here the date, I will be getting it from date and time formatter. I'll just map this date and now simply click on save and send test request. Now here we can see a presentation ID is generated. This presentation ID is generated. It means the certificate is created. So let us move to our Google Drive and I'll just open. So here we can see Reyansh Gupta certificate is created. I'll just open this certificate and show it to you. Media Institute of Photography Certificate of Completion. This is to certify that here the name is displayed, Reyansh Gupta. Okay. As we can see in our template, here the name field was required. In certificate it is correct. Has successfully completed basic to advanced photography 2021 training, given this on 7th of October 2021, and here the date is also displayed. Sudarshan Sharma, director. So the certificate is correct. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. We have to convert this particular certificate into a shareable format. Okay. So for this, again click on this plus sign, add application. Here in the action window, we are going to select the application name as Google Drive. Let us select this. Now in the action event, we have to select share a file with anyone. I'll just click on this. Now let's click on connect. Here again we have to click on add new connection. Connect with Google Drive. Here again we have to choose an account. I'll just choose my account. And we have to give the access. Let's click on continue. Authorization successful. And now the Google Drive is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now here it is asking for the file ID. So I'll just map the file ID which I have got here, the presentation ID. Okay. And here we have to click on this enable mapping button. We have to enable this. And now we'll just erase this data. Okay. And now here we have to map the presentation ID which we have got from Google Slides. So I'll just go to Google Slides and I'll just select this presentation ID. And now we have to click on save and send test request. Here the response is received and we can see the name along with the submission ID also mentioned over here. Now here we can see that a PDF file is generated. Okay, export links application /PDF. So this is the PDF file which is generated. So now this particular certificate is converted into the PDF file over here. Now we want to send this PDF file on the WhatsApp of the student. So I'll just click on this plus sign again, add application. Now here in the action application, we are going to select 360 dialog. I'll just click on this. Here in the action event, we have to select send template message. Let's click on connect. Here we have to choose add new connection. Now here it is asking for the API key and domain name. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So I'll take you to my 360 dialog account. I'll just click here. Okay, as I am already logged into this account, you can see the dashboard of 360 dialog account over here. So I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialog service at a very affordable price. Now here we have to come to this WhatsApp accounts. Let's click on this. Here you can find generate API key option. So here by clicking on this generate API key option, you can generate a API key. Just click on this and generate the API key. As I have already generated the API key, I am not going to generate the key again, and I am going to use the same API key which I have already created. Okay. Once the API key is created, we don't have to generate it for every time we create a workflow. The same API key can be used for different workflows also. Okay. So I'll just move back to Pabbly Connect, and here in the API key option, I'll just paste the API key. So I'm not showing you the API key just because of the security reasons. Please paste your API key in this box. Okay. Now here it is asking for the domain name. So let us read the instructions once again. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. An example is given, https://waba. So I'll just copy this a domain name and I'll just paste it over here. Okay. So whenever our account is approved, we get this domain name by default, this particular domain name. In case if you get some other domain name, you have to paste that domain name over here. Okay. And now let's click on save. So now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. It is showing us connected. Here it is asking for the template. So what is a template? Template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp of the student. Okay. It is simple message. So I'll just take you to my 360 account once again, and I'll just click on manage templates option. So you cannot directly send the messages to anyone on WhatsApp. First you have to create a template, and then only you will be able to send the template messages on WhatsApp. So the reason we have to choose a specific template for sending the message. Okay. And here you can see the add template option. You have, for creating a new template, simply click on this add template and create a new template and get it approved. As you can see, I have already created so many templates over here and got it approved. I'll just open the one and I'll show it to you. Here you can see the template as hello. First parameter, here the name of the student will reflect. Congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the second parameter. Here the course name is going to reflect. Please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. We know this certificate will be a great addition to your resume and we want to help you get there. Hope for your significant and successful career in life. Best regards. And here at the third parameter, this institute name is going to reflect. Okay. So let us select this particular template, that is certificate_link. I'll just go to Pabbly Connect, and here we can find various templates which I have already created. I'll just select the one certificate link which I want to use. Now here it has automatically captured the namespace and language code English. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now it is asking for the recipient mobile number. So, okay, so the mobile number we are going to get it from JotForm, and here we can find the mobile number, this one. Okay. Now here we have to give the header document URL. An example is also mentioned .pdf. So we have to mention the PDF file over here. I'll just show you. So here we have got the PDF file in Google Drive. Okay. So we'll just map it over here. I'll just select Google Drive, and from here I'll just map this PDF file. Okay. Application/PDF. Let us select this. Now here it is asking for header document file name. So I just want to give the file name as the name of my student, that was Riyansh. Then the surname also, Riyansh Gupta dash photography certificate. So I am just giving the name as Riyansh Gupta photography certificate as the file name. Now here body field 1 is required. An example is given as Mahesh, the name of a person. So in our parameter also, here we have to give the name of the student, first parameter. So I'll just map the name over here. That was Riyansh space, and I'll just Add surname also, that is Gupta. Now here we have to give body field to example digital marketing. So here in our case, we are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed here the course name is going to reflect. Okay. So now in our certificate also, let me show you the certificate. Basic to Advanced Photography 2021 Training. Okay. So this is the course name, Basic to Advanced Photography Training. I'll be giving this. Let us type Basic to Advanced Photography Training. Basic to Advanced Photography Training course. Okay. And body field 3, example is also given, ABS Institute. So here the third parameter was the institute name. So in our case the institute name is Media Institute for Photography. I'll just copy this, okay, and I will be pasting it over here. You can type it manually also. Okay, I'll have to paste it over here and I'll erase it from here. Okay. So the body field 3 is also mentioned, Media Institute for Photography. And now let us click on Save and Send Test Request. Now here we can see the responses received and the status is showing as stable. Now let us move to WhatsApp and check whether a certificate along with a message is sent to the student or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp. And yes, here we can see a message is displayed. Hello Reyansh Gupta, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the Basic to Advanced Photography Training. Please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. We know this certificate will be a great addition to your resume and we want to help you get there. Hope for your significant and successful career in life. Best regards, Media Institute for Photography. So here we can see the message which was the correct message is displayed. We use the template here. Okay. Hello, the name was there. So in the message also we can see the name is displayed, Reyansh Gupta. The second parameter we mentioned as the course name. The course name is mentioned, Basic to Advanced Photography Training. And the third parameter was the institute name. So here we can see Media Institute for Photography. So the correct message is sent. Now let us just download this certificate and check whether the correct certificate is sent or not. I'll just open it. Okay, I'll just stop the scanning process and here we can see Media Institute for Photography, Certificate of Completion. This certificate, this is to certify that Reyansh Gupta has successfully completed Basic to Advanced Photography 2021 Training. Given this on this particular date and the director name is mentioned. So the certificate is also correct. Okay. So now let us move back to Public Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So now let us check this particular workflow in the real time. I'll just go to my Jot form once again. I'll open the form in the new tab and let us fill this form once again. And here this time I'll be giving the name as Smita Sharma. Let us give the email address as Smita Sharma 23@gmail.com and let us give the same mobile number to check whether our integration is working fine or not. I'll just click on submit. Check your WhatsApp for certificate. Now let us go to our Google Drive and check whether a certificate is created. Yes, here we can see Smita Sharma certificate is created. And now let us check our WhatsApp also. Here we can see a new message. Hello Smita Sharma, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the Basic to Advanced Photography Training course. So the same message is displayed here also. Let us download her certificate and check the certificate also. And here we can see this is to certify that Smita Sharma has successfully completed this course, given this on 7th October and the director name is there. So here we can see that the correct certificate along with the correct message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the student. Okay, so now I'll just go to Public Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'll just minimize this WhatsApp also. Okay. So now in this use case, we want that whenever a new response is received in the Jot forms, automatically using those details, a certificate should be created into the Google Slides by using a template. automatically that certificate will be converted into a PDF file and it will be saved into the Google Drive, and the same certificate along with a message will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the student. And here we have used 360 dialer for sending the messages. Here we have also used date and time formatter to capture the current date. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between JotForms, Google Slides, Google Drive and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of this workflow and Pabbly Connect is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.